so welcome to the channel. So I'm back. Quarantine's over with. I think quarantine's over. I mean, we're here, we're doing things now, so that's fun. All right, but yeah, I'm here at Joe's house. I'll help him work on that, his 02 Explorer. It's been sitting a couple years. We're doing the rear end on it. Needs the rear ends pulled. I guess it's locked up or something like that. I'm gonna look into it, but yeah, so check it out, guys. All right, so we found our first hang up of the day. So the drain plug for the rear diff there, it looks like a half, I don't know if you guys can see it, I can't get into it right now, but it looks like a 1/2 inch. But what is it actually, Joe? 3/4. And so now we're looking for an adapter for a 1/2 to a 3/4. In Joe's 75 million toolboxes. I mean, he's got one over there. He's got one over there. And he's got all these. Oh, by the way, that's Joe. Say hi to YouTube, Joe.
Hi.
But, so yeah, we found our first hang up, but we're gonna figure it out and then we're gonna get it done. First off, I just wanna let you guys know, it is hot. I'm pretty sure it's like 82, 83 today. But I wanna get under here and show you guys what's going on and why we're changing this out. If you look at the back of the rear end there, all that play, that's not supposed to do that. So
side to side motion too.
Yeah, it moves side to side. I don't know if you guys can see the side to side motion, but the inside gears, what'd you say was wrong with them, Joe? Just something's broken in there?
Yeah, they're just gone. This one over here, the bearing's gone out of that one, and the seal is going out of both sides.
Right. So now we just got to get everything pulled apart, drop the rear end out of it, and then we'll get you going on pulling the rear end apart. Unfortunately, we don't have the right tool to get that drain plug out, so what we're going to do is drop the rear end full of liquid, then dump it once we split the case. So, which, by the way, did you get a case splitter?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, did you find the stuff to make the case splitter, Joe?
Yes, we got the stuff to make case splitter.
Sweet. But yeah, so
we get to work with metal today too.
But yeah, so that's what's going on right now. That's where we're at, guys. Got the drive shaft dropped. Just wanted to show you guys what was actually wrong with the rear end of this thing, and then so now we got to pull. Oh, I don't know what this looks like on camera, but you got to deal with it. Look at the sun. Ugh. So yeah, we got to pull all this apart now and get ready to pull the axles out. It's not good, Joe.
Well, looks like I'll be buying a new CV joint.
Just show that to the camera.
Yeah, it happens.
Whoops. Yummy. Well, looks like Joe's getting a new CV axle. Hey, you know what's funny, Joe? We can drop it out now easier.
Oh yeah?
Yep, that's gonna need replaced now.
Look at that.
Getting greased?
Yeah.
What happened? The boot just rip, or?
Yeah.
Or did it just come straight apart?
Back.
Huh?
Just slid straight back. Alright. Can we get it out?
Slide over here, grab you. Come with me, YouTube. Alright, so now the fun part begins. So we gotta take that bolt there out. That bolt there, and there's that bolt up there out. We're gonna drop the rear end here, And yeah, we'll get back with you guys after we get the rear end out of the vehicle, because this part's not exciting. But there's the broken piece right there. It's getting broken. So yep, we will get back with you guys after that. All right, YouTube, it's gone. We got her out. We're letting her drain, because obviously we couldn't get the drain plug out because we didn't have the right tool, but we're letting her drain a little bit there. She is nasty, and that thing was a pain in the butt, but I didn't film it because, you know, I was busy. So, but she's out. We got it out finally. Like I showed you in the last part, we did split that. No big deal. Does suck because Joe's got to buy a CV axle again now, but we got her done. It's out. So we're gonna wait for this thing to drain, then we're gonna split it open and see what happens. See what the inside looks like. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she looks a little busted up there, Joey. Yeah.
Yeah.
How's that look? How's this piece look? It's not bad.
Yeah, not what you gonna do. That's still pretty well trashed in there, isn't it?
Yeah, that seal's done. But the good news is, people, the fluid don't look too bad. I mean, it's got some nastiness in it, but it's not, there's not a lot of stuff on that metal shavings magnet, so we should be good there. And by the way, I came here to film this, and I got dirty. I don't know how that works, but hey, whatever. But we got it out. We're tearing it apart now, looking at things, seeing what's going on. All right, back working on Joe's turd. So, oh, washout, jeez. We got the seals out of the new rear end that Joe picked up because, well, I'll show you. Because this rear end, as you can tell, still has the axle shaft end stuck in it because it is possibly welded on there. That's the one that came out of the truck. Joe got a new one, so we're replacing the seals, brand new axle shaft seals and wheel seals for the front end of the diff. So we'll be good. So that way, hopefully, this one doesn't leak. Like, well, the other one didn't leak either, but that one had a leak on the front pinion, so we're gonna end up replacing that. Right now, Joe's just getting the old seal off of there. We're gonna pop that in, and yeah. By the way, just so y'all know, it's a week later. A week later. All right, Joe wants to talk to you guys now.
Nah, just
No.
if you're doing this here, pull this bearing out and take a good look at it. Make sure it's nice and tight. This one here is real good. There's no hot spots on the bearings in here or anything. These bearings look great.
They do, actually. That's
So,
I like you said, I'm pretty sure this is like a fresh rebuild one that you found somehow.
by the way, folks, I got this and the CV axle for just over $100 at the junkyard. So a little bit of looking around will save you a lot of money.
I'm pretty sure, Joe, that's all fresh built, because even this all looks good. You know what I mean? There's no play in that thing.
But one other thing that I do want to tell you guys, when we took this apart, we measured these threads on here to see how deep they was, how deep the axle nut was, and also measured the preload on this here. I know we got everything together, but we still measured it. This will give you a really good idea of where to put
everything back.
How tight to put it back. If you put it back too tight, it's going to ruin it.
Because you need one of these fancy things right here. A torque adapter. That's what we used. Let's see if it'll work. We used that. And that's how we measured the preload on that rear end. So we're going to get this all put back together, and then we'll get with you guys when we put it back under there. And that. So we're going to put that nice shiny thing in there. And there.
Yeah.
Joe forgot a critical part. He forgot to oil up the shaft. Wink, wink. Yeah, we're gonna get the hub put back on this thing, and then yeah, we'll I think we'll be ready to put it in the car, won't we, Joe?
Yep.
Put a little gear oil down on that thing, and we'll be ready to put it in the vehicle. Lube her up. You want some fresh oil?
Yeah.
Alright. Nope, I missed it. Fuck. Can you get your side in, Joe?
I'm working on it. Hold on.
Right. Well, here's what I'm curious about.
Yeah.
If...
Don't move it. Don't move it. I almost got it.
Oh, okay.
We'll get this here. We'll get one side started. We'll be in good shape.
Yeah, but I'm worried about having too much pressure on that bolt.
No, it'll be alright. Alright. Okay, what do you need for yours?
I
Can
need...
you go up? I got a jack for that.
Alright, stop. Hold on. Let me look. Alright, we're started. Get that. That should have went way easier than it actually did.
Should have.
But it went easy. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, not bad. Alright.
Now let's gently put this in
Just
there.
going down.
I know it's not tight, but nope, shit, almost went to reverse. No, almost went to reverse. And then obviously we'll cinch him down with the long bar too, you know.
Good.
You got the other nut over there, Joe. You want to zip it up?
It's
You can reach it better than I can right now. But the good news is it's in.
let me go and get this ABS wire plugged in real quick.
Can you reach it?
Yeah.
At least that's plugging it in, not taking it out like earlier, like the other day.
Right?
Oh, it's got one of those fucking clips on it? Oh, shit.
Uh-huh.
Well, YouTube, we got it up there. It only took us, what's the timer on the clock say? 15 minutes, Joe.
That's not bad.
This video is going to be like an hour long. You know that, right?
Uh-huh. You gotta separate it.
Mm-hmm. I might have to make 2 videos out of it. You get it?
Oh, figure out which way it goes on.
That's the hardest part when you can't see it. You gotta figure out which way it goes, right?
Yep.
And the thing is, you can't see it either. And if you can, it's barely. Please don't tell me it's a different size sensor. You know what?
Huh.
Look at the end of that connector, Joe.
Yeah?
It doesn't look right. Looks like it's been... Pull that down and look at the end of that connector. Does that look like it's been melted?
No.
Oh,
It's
we have
just
to
a
see
weird
shit.
plug in, yeah.
Well, that was easy.
Uh-huh. Since I'm playing around, right?
No. Please hold, please hold, please hold, please hold, please hold.
Are they sold?
I think we're good.
All right.
All right, I'll rip the jack out for you.
See if I can plug that thing in. And go over to U-bolt.
Want the creeper jack?
Like it without a driver shot to my face, but you know, whatever. Vectors can't be choosy, right? Hey, hand me that flashlight.
Need what?
That flashlight?
Alright guys, we got the rear end back in. So basically from here, all we gotta do is throw those axles back in there, put all this back together, fill her up with fluid, and yeah, she's done. So that's basically it. I don't need to show putting all that stuff back together because I showed how it all came apart. It just goes back together the way it came apart. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't already subscribe, join us, come hang out. We got some fun stuff coming up anyway, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.